Are you vlogging your friend right now?
Yeah, I forgot my camera.
You forgot it.
Hey, tell us what we're doing right now.
Alright, so right now we're about to go eat at
No, we're not.
Period Correct. What is it?
We're going to Carmi.
Oh, Carmi.
All right, that's enough. Thank you.
Going with me?
Yeah. Whoa. Oh yeah.
No, get the real thing. Yeah.
Yeah. Yo, it's your boy, Soldier Boy.
Hey guys. Hey, let me take this. So in today's video, basically what we're doing, we're at a car show right now. We probably have the best cars here. Yeah. But my car's not here. I left the Koenigsegg at home.
Mine isn't either. So.
I left the Koenigsegg home.
the
He
best
left
cars,
the M3 at home. But yeah, so
What about
huh?
the Lamborghini SVJ?
Oh, you left the SVJ?
Yeah, that's why I left them.
Yeah.
Goodness gracious. Oh. No way. That was nice too. I just got back from hanging out with a bunch of friends. We went to a couple car shows this morning, but yesterday I actually took in my M3 to John's shop, so it's called JPEG Built, and we took off the exhaust because I wanted to get rid of the status group. I wasn't a huge fan of it. I mean, I like the sound, but I kind of want something that's valved, so I was thinking about doing a QTP cutout, so then I can have the stock muffler sound, which basically sounds stock, like there's no exhaust sound at all. And then also switching to straight pipe, because the only restriction is my muffler, because I have headers, and section 1 has nothing in it. Section 2 is just like an X pipe, or the section 2 is just the factory X pipe. This morning we went to Period Correct, and that show was pretty fun. We actually met up with this guy Josh, which I'm sure a ton of you guys know. He's on TikTok, he's on Instagram, Twitter, all those things, but yeah, he's pretty popular on TikTok. He's super funny. So we hung out with him for like most of the day. I think he lives in Utah or something, but like his mom, I don't know. I think he lives in like both OC and somewhere in Utah. So yeah, he was down here, and I think next weekend we're also gonna go to a car show. We're probably gonna go do South OC. Now I'm about to get a workout in, and I might do my brakes if there's enough sunlight. I still have my track brakes on from like 2 weeks ago now, just because I've been working from home, so I haven't even been driving the car much. Haven't really felt the need to take them off, so eventually I need to switch them, but I was kind of waiting so I could do new rotors on it. I was thinking about just taking everything off, putting on new rotors, and then I'll put the street pads back on it. So I don't know if I'm gonna wait more or just do it today, because I do have a little bit of time. So you guys saw in one of the previous videos that I got the Style 67 rear wheels. I just got a pair of them, and I was gonna put them on the front of my car. I'm not really sure if I want to do that right now or if I'm gonna save up for a better set, because I don't know, I'm just kind of torn on what to do with this car. I could save up for like a really nice set of wheels. I have a set of wheels in mind that I'm not gonna reveal yet, but they are like $2,000 for those. So it's expensive, and then I gotta find tires for it, which are also expensive. Probably run me like 800 bucks for a set. Let me know what you would do, if I should just put the Style 67s on it, or if I should get new wheels overall, like something like Apex or a different brand.